Welcome to the WaveLinx LITE Low Voltage Dual Tech Occupancy Sensor Installation video.
The WaveLinx LITE Dual Technology Ceiling Sensor, or OCS L, is available in line voltage or low voltage versions. In this video, we are going to look at the low voltage version, which is available in 3 coverage patterns: 600 square foot, 1200 square foot, and 2000 square foot. All 3 have the same form factor and can be mounted at heights of 12 feet. So what's in the box? On top, you'll find instructions. Then the occupancy sensor. Notice the spring-loaded tabs which are used for mounting to tile. The model number is on the back of the unit. In the box, you'll also find a trim ring for mounting this sensor to a back box. With the cover removed, you can get to the factory reset button when held for 5 seconds. The unit factory resets. We also see the photo cell, the dual tech occupancy sensor, and the LED indicators that tells us if the sensor is seeing movement. To install the OCS sensor in tile, you'll need a 3-inch hole saw, a drill, and something to measure with. Use the straight angle and a pencil to mark the center of the customer-facing side of the tile. You can drill 2 pieces of tile at a time using the 3-inch hole saw. Drill out the marked location on the tile, set the trim ring aside, pull the spring-loaded tabs in, and push the sensor into place. The spring tabs lock the sensor to the tile. Install the tile into the ceiling. OCS L wiring. A switch pack is required to power the low voltage version of the OCS sensor. In this example, a RSPV is being used to power the OCS sensor. The brown wire gets capped because a low voltage momentary switch like the GMDS is not being used. The blue wire from the sensor connects to RSP control. The white wire from the sensor connects to BAS control. The red wire from the sensor connects to 24 volts plus, and the black wire from the sensor connects to GND. More detailed wiring of the RSPV will be covered in a separate RSPV video. When powered for the first time, the sensor will blink green and then blink blue as it sees motion. OCS backbox installation. After marking the center of the tile and knocking out the hole in the center of the backbox, use the backbox as a template to cut out the tile. The backbox used is a 4-inch octagon that needs to be at least 2 1/8 inch deep. If tile is being used, install the tile before wiring the sensor. Next, remove the metal adapter plate from the plastic trim ring by unsnapping it. Then mount the metal adapter plate to the back box, and don't over-tighten. Before wiring the OCS sensor, install the trim ring to the mounting bracket. Finally, insert the OCS sensor into the mounting bracket with the trim ring. If the OCS L sensor needs to be factory reset, remove the sensor's faceplate. Then press and hold the factory reset button for 5 seconds. The sensor will blink yellow for a few seconds while factory resetting. I hope this video was informative, and thanks for watching.